Hello and welcome to Assamese Defense Analysis. Friends, the Indian Navy will commission on Tuesday, 29 March, its second long-range maritime reconnaissance air squadron comprising a fleet of P-8I aircraft. Navy Chief Admiral R Hari Kumar will commission India's second P-8I aircraft squadron at INS Hansa in Goa. This is a boost for the Navy's anti-submarine and anti-surface warfare capabilities. India is the second largest operator of P-8I aircraft. Navy's first P-8I squadron, consisting of 8 aircraft, is based at INS Rajali. Navy's second squadron of P-8I aircraft will operate 4 P-8I planes. India signed a contract with the USA in 2016 for 4 P-8I aircraft worth $1 billion. The contract was a follow-on order to 8 P-8I planes bought by India in an earlier deal worth $2.1 billion. The planes were bought as a replacement for the Tu-142 fleet. India is expanding its military surveillance capability in the Indian Ocean region at a time when China is making rapid progress in its naval power. Since 2008, the Chinese Navy has had a constant presence in the Indian Ocean region with 7 to 8 warships at any point of time. With the superior maritime surveillance and reconnaissance capability and operation readiness, the aircraft has proven to be an essential asset to the Navy. India was the first international customer of the P-8I aircraft. The P-8I aircraft is a variant of the P-8A Poseidon aircraft. P-8I is a multi-mission maritime patrol aircraft. The aircraft is designed for long-range anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, and intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance mission. The aircraft can fly as high as 41,000 feet. The P-8I is based on the Boeing next generation 737-800. The aircraft has a length of 39.47 meter, wingspan of 37.64 meter, and height of 12.83 meter. The aircraft is equipped with a CAEAN ASQ 508A magnetic AMOLE detection system, APS 143C multimode radar, and global version of the Raytheon APY-10 surveillance radar. The internal weapons bay can house Mark 54 torpedoes, depth charges, and free-fall bombs. The P-8I aircraft is powered by 2 CFM 56-7 engines supplied by CFM International. The P-8I aircraft can fly at a maximum speed of 789 km per hour. The induction of the P-8I aircraft into the Indian Navy is a huge step. This will greatly enhance and surveillance capability of the Navy. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.